Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Lisbeth Sanchez. My video is going to be on professional development using research-based strategies to enhance reading and writing in every child in our classroom. My video is also going to contain some research-based strategies having to do with comprehension along with vocabulary development and writing. It will be a cross-curricular lesson having to do with social studies, science, and math. My video is going to contain all of this important information and the things that we can do as classroom teachers to help our students. This is an effort to create a positive, learning-rich environment. My first strategy is having to do with reading comprehension. My method of teaching some of these as a review or as a follow-up to a lesson that we have done in the classroom is by doing self-centers, where I am just a facilitator going from rotation stations to help the students out with whatever it is that they're needing. The first rotation would be for reading comprehension. Under the reading comprehension rotation, this is targeting social studies through a reading passage, for example, on the Pony Express. This has the reading comprehension with multiple choice question, and it also has 3 to 4 open-ended questions where the students have to use their critical thinking skills and provide textual evidence in order to support their answers. Also, this helps to target our gifted and talented population because of the higher order thinking that they need to do, the critical thinking that they need to do when they are doing their response for the open-ended questions. Rotation number 2 is also reading comprehension on an informational text. This one is also targeting reading comprehension along with open-ended questions. On this one, there's not so many open-ended questions. There might be 1 or 2 open-ended questions, and this will be targeting our ELLs, our special pops that are struggling with certain skills. This is our differentiated instruction, where the students are able to work at their reading lexile level, and they are able to successfully complete the information that is required from them, along with the textual evidence and everything that is being provided that they need to provide for their answers. Rotation number 3 is what we call the word detective. This is similar to the Freyer model, but we have adjusted it to our needs. On this rotation station, we are targeting math and science together, where they are doing their vocabulary development. For example, if we are doing a lesson on mass, on volume and density, then we are targeting the vocabulary of volume, mass, density, so that the students are able to understand what these words signify and what they represent when they are being mentioned in the lesson. Once that has been accomplished, then they have a activity that they complete on their own, again, as me being the facilitator, where I go around and help wherever it is needed. The activity is based on, again, differentiated instructions for our special pops that are struggling with certain skills along with our ELLs. Rotation number 4 is done through using the Chromebook through Google Classroom, and this is text-to-speech. This helps our ELLs that are acquiring our language to practice the English language. The more that they practice, the more that they speak, the more that they answer in complete sentences helps them with the language acquisition, along with the academic vocabulary, not just using their social vocabulary with their friends, but also acquiring their academic vocabulary. And this incorporates the technology as a support system that they need for their academic success. Our last rotation, which is rotation number 5, is Also targeting writing. This is an exit ticket where the students need to answer a question and they need to write in complete sentences so that their answer makes sense. All of this is based on a state standard. The state standard that I chose for all of these is 6.5I, which is monitor comprehension and make adjustments such as rereading, using background knowledge, and asking questions and annotating when understanding breaks down. The importance of using research-based strategies is that they have been proven to be very effective when used consistently and efficiently. And the research-based strategies here would be the reading comprehension, the annotating, the highlighting, the writing, the building of the vocabulary development, the literacy acquisition, and integrating all of these and making it all into a cohesive unit where our students can use them effectively and become academically successful.